Well, today we're in Glacier National Park. What I thought I'd do, Gail and I were interested in doing a video, not of just Glacier Park, but unique Glacier Park, avoiding the crowds. We chose a completely different route. Instead of going through West Glacier, we didn't even go through East Glacier. I guess you could say we went through Northeast Glacier. We went by St. Mary, and went up to Babb, and then took Highway 3 or Many Glacier Road into, and we're here at Many Glacier Hotel, and there's all kinds of beautiful trails right here. And this is our first stop. We've already seen a bear, and here's a picture now. Trail that comes along when you kind of come out of the hotel, goes along just along this lake, is it's like not what you would expect. We were just talking about it. It's like if you were looking for a trail, you think it's going to be dusty and hard and you know, have its rewards. This thing is flat, paved, and it has its rewards. The trees are incredible. I feel like I'm walking through some kind of Disney movie right through here. And then obviously you have little pull-outs to see the lake, and it's just really beautiful. Way worth it, especially if you have kids. This is a great, amazing hike. It's 2.5 miles, and taking lots of pictures, and I hope you enjoy. You can get here because this is outstanding, and we didn't even know this was here.
You're welcome. And there's no guarantee of your safety anytime you're in the backcountry, but being live, having bear spray, making noise, and paying attention to your surroundings is really important. It does. I know people who would save their life. Yeah, way better than a gun. Because if a bear runs around the corner charging, even if you're a sharpshooter, you're not going to be able to take aim at something that's running 35 miles an hour and bouncing all around. Whereas the bear spray is diffused. And it's right here, so you just spray and it's a poop, and their nose is the most sensitive part of their body. Their sense of smell is so keen. So the bears can be shot and survive and keep going, and their skulls are thick, the bullet can graze the bear. If we have to have a gun on patrol, it's a 12 gauge shotgun. It's not a 22 or 44, but the spray is great, and even if it's mid-charge, people have sprayed it and it's turned spray.
So we found another unique off the beaten path, less people place, and that is called Running Eagle Falls. You go through East Glacier. It's kind of the southern part of Glacier on the eastern side, and it's just supposedly beautiful. So we'll see. Here comes some great video. Along this trail, there's a lot of little outlets or inlets to the water, and they're just full of these leaves all grown up. It's just one of the most beautiful trails I've ever been on. But what's really cool is the water, the rocks in the water. It's kind of like Flathead Lake. They're all just vibrant colors of rocks. I don't even know if this video can pick it up or not, but it's just so incredible. This was named Running Eagle, was named after the only famous female warrior of the Blackfeet tribe. And she would come up here for her yearly spiritual figuring it out moment. And she'd come up here and she led many hunting and warrior expeditions, and she became famous and the only female. So Running Eagle. This is to Medicine Lake. It's right down the road from Running Eagle, and it's vast, beautiful. It looks cold, but somebody said, I just overheard somebody talking about that it's actually a lot warmer than it looks. So then of all things, you have this as your background. Pretty cool background. Funny little side note, these are not buffalo. Buffalo are in Africa, South Africa. These are bison, but everybody calls them buffalo. So do you, boo.